Hello viewers, very good evening to all of you. This new YouTube channel, what we have launched with an objective to have online tutorial for the course or subject of environmental engineering as per AICTE syllabus or curriculum. If you happen to download the AICTE, if you visit the website of AICTE and download this, so that you will get the entire this syllabus for environmental engineering course for BTech, means undergraduate, and diploma students. Now, as it is written on the board, you can see that today is June 14. Now this is named as Professor G's Environmental Engineering Tutorials and Publishing. So by the name you understand that the very objective of this particular YouTube channel or platform also, as we normally understand, that is just to sort of have this tutorials, online tutorials on YouTube also. And here the details are given, as you see, the course director and mentor, myself, Professor Banerjee, recently retired from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT BHU, Varanasi, and my past affiliations also are given. I have got very long experience, more than 40 years or so, in the field of environmental or public health engineering also, environmental and public health engineering. And my colleague Sohini, she has got a degree in this Master of Science in Water Resources and in Engineering and Water Resources Engineering and Management. She has done her Masters from University of Stuttgart, Germany, and the Bachelor of Science, as it is given there, the degree in Civil Engineering. Her degree, this actually is accredited by Joint Board of Moderators, JBM, UK, and the university is University of the West Indies, St. Augustine, Trinidad and Tobago. So she has done her both this undergrad and postgraduate degrees from abroad, as you see. So with this introduction, let me erase the first, the board one, if we say. This is suppose the board one, right? So I'm not elaborating it further because this is very much understandable. So I'm erasing this for the second board to open. Okay. Now, ours, that the contact details. This is a YouTube platform for online tutoring for the undergraduate, as I have already told, and the contact of this particular platform, that is mobile plus WhatsApp, both, that is 1945121 77738, number 1, and 2, that is 6289657911. So these two are our contact numbers, and both this mobile and WhatsApp, and email, official email for this particular platform, that is Professor G without space, ENV, environmental, tutorials at gmail.com. So this is our official mail. This is official mail for this particular platform. Professor G, single word, say, dot ENV tutorials, that is environmental tutorials, one word, @gmail.com. So this is our, contact details. If anybody wants to contact, subsequently also for a very specific purpose also, so they can contact, and they can keep in touch through these numbers or mails also. Okay. Now, as I have already told that this is a sort of a YouTube platform or channel, what we are launching, for online tutorial, this one, for particularly environmental engineering, this course, environmental engineering course. Now, as per AICTE, this is we will strictly follow as per AI, All India Council for Technical Education, Government of India, curriculum or syllabus, right? We'll strictly follow that. And as per this AICTE curriculum also, one course that is on environmental engineering also, that actually has got a very wide coverage, including this, that water. So if we say modules, there are 5 modules. The first one is this, let us say 1, 2 on water, then sewage, third one is that the air, I think air pollution also, they have written like that. We have got this syllabus. You can also download this, there is no problem. Now, let me just quickly show this, right? Yes, this is the syllabus. So if you say that AICTE model curriculum for undergraduate degree in civil engineering, engineering technology, environmental engineering, we have there are 5 modules, air, then noise, not air pollution, they have written like air. So third module is module 3, air, on air, fourth module noise, and fifth module is solid waste management. Also it is maybe abbreviated as SWM, solid waste management. So there are 5 modules. Now these 5 modules actually, if we consider, then it would be too big for a semester or so. even for a year also, it would be really, I mean, very big, coverage wise very big. So what we have done actually, we have customized here. How? We have split this into two, courses. One is that environmental engineering 1 and another is environmental engineering 2, right? So this we have made environmental engineering, in short form I am writing 1, and 2 is environmental engineering 2. Now this actually, if we write like that, environmental engineering 1 will cover this one, and the remaining this one, this will be covered under environmental engineering 2. Environmental engineering 1 will be offered in, the autumn semester, or fall, autumn or odd semester, as we in India, in this our country, we call it that semester, the odd semester and even semester. So if we suppose write here in odd semester, offering this environmental engineering 1, and this is even semester. Now odd semester, this will be, that would be from July to effectively say December first week, not full, first week. And even semester will start from January first week, and it will continue up to say May first week also. And teaching will be, from July to November, and then how we'll navigate this particular course, say environmental engineering 1, July to November, with some obvious, this DP holidays, Durga Puja holidays and other, that would be there. We'll try to make it a live session, live semester, as if you are attending, the semester as you attend in your respective institutes also. And here one thing to mention, that we have launched this online tutorial on environmental engineering course because, keeping in view the facts that many, institutions, that moderate or relatively moderate institutions or so. There is an acute faculty shortage. So in this particular area, environmental and water, this discipline, faculty shortage is very acute. So that is why to cater to the need of the undergraduate as well as diploma holder students, what we have done here, so that by registering this for this course with a sort of very affordable this subscription, which will be intimated later, those who will show interest in registering in this course with subscription also. So we will let but it would be very, very nominal and affordable too. So that actually, July to November, we will time to time, what we'll do actually, we will have, say, as per my experience, right? As per my experience, I am erasing this one because this is already captured in the video, so you will get that back. And here actually this is, say, we have got normally, as per my experience and as per our IIT system also, say in one semester, right, one semester, we normally happen to get about say 13 weeks or so, and with 3 hours of teaching, right, maybe split 1, 1, 1 or 1 plus 2 like that, as the case may be and as per the convenience. So this is 3 hours per week, making this 39 lecture hours. Right? So say 40 in one semester. So if we say that this is lecture hours, LH, so LH, lecture hours also. So 40, and this 40, what we'll do actually, for video session, we cannot, extend up to 1 hour or so, because that may not be, on screen, it would be difficult also. So that is why keeping in view the typical, YouTube session or so, what we have done actually, that is half an hour, that is 30 minutes video session will be there. So 40 lecture hours, for that actually 80 video sessions that will be needed in one semester. In both the semester, that will be the same. That means within that the semester, we will cover more or less 80 this video sessions, which will be equivalent to 40 lectures hours or so, weekly 3. But this may be adjusted also. Sometimes suppose we can upload 4 or sometimes 2 or so, but on an average say 3 lecture hour equivalent to 6 say video sessions per week or so. That way we will keep uploading that one, right, when the session will start. Right. Now this will have, that we how that this course has been, or video sessions have been organized. That is, this actually about say 6 video sessions. That is to be demo series. Demo series. That is demo series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this will be free. This is open to all. That means it is open and free, accessible to all, right? Or all can access to this series. So this is the first of demo series 1 or so. That is why I am trying to give an overview. And demo series 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we will be more technical, although this will be all overview also, but we will try to here discuss the basic environmental, the water and sewage, that is how sort of water supply schemes and wastewater collection and the treatment, disposal, entire systems. So that will be discussed in little more details, as overviews in demo series, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or so. So that we will discuss. You will see that free of cost. There is no charge for that. And based on that, the undergrad students or the diploma holder students or so, they will see this, and if they are satisfied and if they feel that there is a need for registration or so for the entire whole course or so, they can subscribe and they can register for this. So this is about that. And also what we will do, 6 video sessions. In addition to that, the package will include, so demo series free, right? This is free of cost. Now we will have weekly let us say like that remaining 74, if we say 06, say 74 video sessions will be covered in the subscribed or for the registered students. students or you can say viewers, YouTube viewers. So this will be total 80, and second, this is the first in the package, the registration package or subscription package also, that will be included here. Second will be, weekly meet through Google Meet or Microsoft Team. Let me erase this. Microsoft Team or Zoom. So on this platform we will have weekly meet, that is say twice. The exact date and timings, so that will be decided later as per the conveniences of the inter-class also, the batch. Accordingly we will hold two weekly meets every week, maybe weekends or maybe weekdays also, evening time, or whatever way, whatever timings we follow, that will be based on consensus or conveniences of the entire batch also. So that actually we will have, and here the interactive session. This will be interactive session. Okay, so this will be interactive sessions, so that up to this, what that all these video sessions will be one way, right? But as that live teaching, that is the difference. Here in online, we are we will keep discussing this, the class or video session also, where there will be no interactions. So it will be one way kind of communication also. To make it more interactive also, that is why Google Meet or the weekly meet we have planned to hold each and every week also, depending on the timings as per conveniences of the inter-batch, as I have told, interactive sessions also. And here actually half an hour this one, all this 30 minutes video, twice video session. Now over and above this Google this meet or weekly meet, what we will do actually, we will have option for one-to-one interactions also, or say small batch, we can interact with the students or viewers also in more deeper interaction level, so that people can understand. But that would be with extra nominal kind of subscription also. That would also be nominal, say 100 or that kind of rupees 100 or so per this 30-minute video session. That would be say 1:1 or 1:5, like that. That will be deciding later. Okay, so that will be there. Depending on that, so additional will be the more interactive sessions in small groups, or maybe 1:1 also, by paying that nominal charge also. And also we will have that the midterm as well as the semester, final semester or end term, if we call it, tests. So these test details will be announced later. So that will be evaluated also, and at the end of the semester, after completing successfully, if someone wants recommendation of certificate also, so in our personal level, so we can give the certificate also. That would be free. of course. Okay, so that would be that, about our program and how to navigate this one. Here, about the syllabus, I don't want to sort of, detail the syllabus, because this is quite, long. So that is why you can see this that from AICTE website. So regarding syllabus also, AICTE, please visit AICTE website or web page. It will be available. So you can see. If it is not available, we can give later. Okay, when we will start that actual these sessions also, we can give this one. Okay, so that will be module, this 1 and 2 will be clubbed to have environmental engineering 1, water and sewage, air, noise and solid waste. That actually will be under environmental engineering 2 to be offered in the next semester also. Okay, now lecture materials already we have told. Okay, now come to the references, that is which books or references you should follow, right? So that will be under all this package for registered students also. Midterm, end-term test that will be conducted, and evaluation also will be done, and it will be intimated back to you that the results of that, and certificate to be delivered if as per your requirement also. Okay, so this is this, and what we'll do actually for this references, what you will follow, that is book, let us say textbook, of course. In undergraduate level, normally we do not recommend the reference books. I think all of you know this. So that is actually, we will have the books by water supply and sewage. Names may differ. So water supply, sewage, I am only here writing that is the author's name. You will find that one, the details will be given later. So this is by water supply and this sewage treatment. So this actually in two these parts or two volumes or so. So that would be by S.K. Garg. Then second is that P.V. Rowe and Kovanoglas. G. Then B.C. Unmia. Then B.D. and B.D. These books will be more or less enough, so that will be available in the market. These are all available in the market with moderate price also. If you require, if you feel the need of purchasing a books, you can go for that with very moderate prices also. We'll also follow, this is the number one is books, then second is the manuals. Now in environmental engineering course, there is an advantage. Let me tell you, there is Government of India, that is Ministry of Urban Development. They have got Ministry of, I'm not writing all, Ministry of Urban Development. They have got a wing that is CPHEEO, Central Public Health and Environmental Engineering Organization. That is under Ministry of Urban Development, Government of India. Right? They have got three, in fact, three overall this subject wise manuals. That is the one is that on water supply and treatment. Two is the sewerage and sewage treatment. And under one again this operation, that one engineering aspects, operational aspects, operational maintenance, these are there. But primarily that would be the engineering, this one manual, the parts A, that would be applicable, or that would be for your this purpose also. Similarly here also, the part A, that I will give the full, when we will, we will proceed. We will, that means cover more and more chapters also, that we will be giving that one. Third one is that solid waste, solid, and I think solid or hazardous waste or solid waste management. There is no manual on air or noise also, but these three manuals are there. And the advantage is that what I was trying to tell, that is all these are freely downloadable. You can visit the site of Ministry of Urban Development, Government of India, go to CPHO or directly type that CPHO and get these manuals. These manuals are there, and in the hyperlink also you can download free. So that is why what I am trying to say here, that we will mostly follow the manuals, because these manuals are accessible to all. So that is actually, we have to, take a note of this. Okay, I just check the camera. Okay, so we will have that these three manuals. These manuals are very much important for this particular course, because here it would be complete. It would be a very practical kind of this in Indian context, and also this is legally quotable. That means if you after passing out, when you will be a full-fledged professional or so then in that case you can quote that in legal context or so. You can quote these manuals if you follow that one, so you can quote these manuals, right? So that is the clear advantage also. So technically, coverage wise, and also in legal context also, these manuals are very, very important, and I will request all of you to download this, right? You can have this, and we will follow the manuals, and where the manual is silent or so, then we will refer time to time, chapter wise or topic wise or so, we will refer to a particular book we may refer, or IS code. And third one is the codes. Okay, and in the manual also, these are all Indian, right? This is Indian. Apart from that, we also have, that this is the foreign, this one. So this is the primary, this major manuals. Here I am writing. That is American Society of Civil Engineers, ASC, and Water Environment Federation. This is the manual. This is more. This is primarily for sewage or wastewater also. Let me say wastewater. And also we have got AWWA, that is American Water Works Association. So these are the, both American, and apart from that we have got other, this one European this manuals or UK manuals, but American manuals are nowadays, as you all know, that accepted everywhere. Why I am referring these two? Because you see that when you will be associated with projects for the foreign countries, overseas, then in that case actually you we cannot use this one code the CPHU manuals. Technically you can follow, but you cannot legally code, because this is not going to be acceptable by those countries which I mean are overseas or foreign countries. So that is why there actually we can have this, right? So that is why suppose somebody has gone abroad, then CPHU manuals will not be applicable. Or suppose someone is associated in a project for the foreign countries also, then in that case also this will not be applicable, CPHU manual. So foreign this references, the manuals has to be followed there. And IS codes, that is actually several IS codes are there. That is Indian standards. Indian, as you all know, I think, Indian standards, that is actually published by BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, Government of India. That is actually IS, that is why we call IS code. So IS code, then ISO, International Standard Organizations, then American code, that is various codes are there, American concrete, this is American concrete engineering also. This is this ASTM, then highway, mainly transportation highway. ASTM is that taste. This is the concrete engineering or structural engineering. So there are codes for that. And also British standards, BS, then Euro codes, and other countries also their individual codes are there, respective codes. So these are to be followed this way. So that way, I mean, more or less we have come to the end of this particular session. I think it is very clear. First thing is the objective of our this tutorial, this platform or YouTube channel, right? And publishing we have read because we do other works also. The publishing part, the report preparation, book publishing, pamphlet, and many other. This one, I mean, we prepare this report and publish. So this is that why it is given like that. As per the syllabus, I have told that AICTE syllabus, more details will be given or will be discussed when we will go chapter wise or topic wise also. And our contact details also, our our affiliations, our designations, all are given on the first board. And these are the references what we have given. And also regarding the program, how we will navigate this semester, right? So that also we have discussed. I think that is all for this one. Only thing is to mention that here the students who will be registering, or viewers who will be registered viewers or students also, they will have an advantage, that is, first thing is that in groups, actually, if they register, then in that case special discounts will be offered. Also, I mean, that for subsequent courses, we will also offer, we will rather offer, that is different courses, the design courses, say, right? Then advanced water and wastewater treatment, then environmental impact assessment and auditing, EIA and EA. So these actually various courses depending on the requirements and demand or so. So that also will offer with discounted rate also. So that will be only for the registered students who will be registering for this environmental engineering 1 and 2. So with these words, let me complete today's video session. So that would be you will find it in the YouTube links to be given, or the general viewers, they can see this. Institutional students, they can get that from their respective institutions also. And with this actually 6 videos, such videos will be followed So very soon you will get all the videos, this 5 more videos or so, and remaining 74 out of this 80 or so, that would be, as I have already discussed, that would be time to time it would be uploaded, and you will be having the registered students, they can see that one. They can have twice the Google Meets per week or so, and depending on their sort of requirements also, they can also go for 1:1 interaction, or say small group wise, right? There actually all will be paid, but the pay will be very much nominal. Okay, so with this let me complete. Thank you so much for your valued views and valued watching of this video. Hope that you will find interest after seeing the remaining 5 videos also, and with all the best wishes, let me complete it here. Thank you so much. Okay.